I'm Nida and I'm a biology tutor for Scalar Learning. Currently, I am a third-year medical student out here in New York. I also got my undergraduate degree in neurobiology in UC Irvine down in SoCal. I'm hoping to be a physician soon, so wish me luck. I always gravitated towards biology and life sciences because our body's like a puzzle. We've got lots of things going on, and once you understand the heart, the lungs, they work together, and it matters to me, you, everyone. I'm hoping to use it to help make the world a better place, to help healthcare and help children all the way up to adults. So I think it's important for kids to learn biology because it's going to guide you into so many different arenas, but you want to just know, how does your body work? How do others work? And we're always thinking about healthcare and how to make our society better. So I think even if you don't want to be a physician, I think it's good to know how to be a healthy citizen. It's great to watch people learn and watch kids learn because you know what? I'm in those shoes right now. I'm a student right now, and we're always in that point where things just don't click and it's just so frustrating. But when you can help someone click and put those pieces together and see that aha moment, is amazing. And learning is a challenge throughout your entire life. I had problems in high school, college, even now in medical school, and I'm always looking for someone to help me, and I want to help others. And as soon as we get that aha moment, our life is just so much better and our outlook is great. Thank you guys so much. I look forward to working with you all.